Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to discuss about basic select statement with applying some filter conditions to filter out the required number of records in from the table, right? So let's talk about how can I select the records from the table. So select all from, I have a country table there, so I'm going to do select all from country. Okay, and let me execute this one. I will get an error. You know why? Because I'm not in the database context. Okay, because my database right now is selected master. However, the object country is not in this sample db2. So in that case, the SQL Server is going to look for it, and it says I can't find that what you're looking for, and that is true because I'm in a different database context. Okay, that's why two ways you can do. You can scroll down this drop down and select your database manually, or you can still stay in the same database no matter where you are. And what you need to do is use name of the database, which is sample db2, and you can say go. So what this will do now, if I run everything here, you can either highlight, or you don't have to highlight if there are no other codes in your window. So if I execute, what the SQL Server does is it switches to this database first, which in our case it's already did, and then it's going to find that object and select everything from that table country. In our case we have 10 records, so it's giving me all from the country. So now let's talk about filter, right? I don't want to see everything. Where I want to see country name equals to maybe Germany. Country name, I just want to see Germany. Okay, so if you do that, where country name is just Germany, see, so it filtered me just for that particular country name, Germany. We had 10 records before, but now we're returning only one because there is only one row with that country name, Germany. So this is how you utilize the filter condition to return the required number of records from the table from your database. So this is very helpful when you know how to filter, use the filter conditions. So you can use more than one filter conditions in selecting records from the tables. For example, you can apply multiple operators, equals to, not equals to, less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, and or in operator, between operator, things like that. So you can use these one or more operators when you're applying for the filter. So that's how you use the filter. And just so you know, so a couple of things I want to point it out to the viewers here for the basic learners. So in SQL Server, as you can see, these two lines are comments. So whatever you write it down for the notes, this is going to be, SQL Server is going to ignore this, and this is not going to be returned for any codes, right? So, and this is a multi-line comment. So this is a backslash, star, and star, and then backslash. So if you write any notes in between, the SQL Server will ignore them as a comment. So this is a multi-line comment, and double dashes are single line comments. So in this case, I don't even have to what do you call, the highlight the code and execute. I don't need to do that because I know all these are already commented out. So SQL Server will ignore these lines, and then it's just going to run those lines that don't have a commented, right? So when I execute without highlighting them, this is still going to work. And these comments you can use, say this one right here. So if you click on this, this is going to use comment. If you do this, if you click on this little icon here, it's going to remove the comment. This is uncomment, and this is going to comment. So if you want to comment something after you want to ignore those lines, then click on this one after highlighting, or if you want to uncomment, you can get your cursor at the end of the line and click on this one. This will uncomment, see that? And if you want to comment back, put your cursor at the end of the line and then put this comment. So these are line comments versus this is a multi-line comments. So these are single line for every line of text you type in. So every line comments, right? Comments anything, right? ABC, ABC, something like that. So all these, if this is your comment, you have to either highlight everything together and comment them out just like that, or you can also provide them in between these backslash, star and then backslash. So anything you type in between is going to consider as a ignore for SQL Server. So in that case, you don't have to highlight every time you execute the code. You can just simply write in your code, type in your code, and then execute, or also press F5 in the keyboard. And again, to display this result set, for example, all of a sudden if your display is gone, for example, your display is gone, right? Yeah, and you don't know what happened. Where did my results go, right? And if you want to bring that results back, just press Control R, okay? Do Control and then plus you're gonna do R, so which will bring results pane. Okay, it will view and hide. It's going to do both view or hide, so right now let me press Control R and this is going to go away. Okay, Control R, this is going to see it's hidden now. So if I want to bring that back again, just press Control R again. Okay, so there you go. This brings the results pane back. Control R, remember, it's a shortcut key. There is other way to view that results pane, but this is the most easiest way people use. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I don't want to go too long, so thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel, comment, and so I can make some improvements in the upcoming videos. And thanks for joining again. Have a great day.